In this video, I'm going to show you how to make viral motivational YouTube videos without using any speech, just by using background music. Those videos will be easy and simple, step by step for you guys. So let's get started. As you can see, I already have a faceless YouTube channel that's made 4,787 in the last 90 days. Okay, and I want you to start your own faceless YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the method that you can use to make viral motivational YouTube videos without using speech. Okay, we will use just background music, and I'm going to share with you an example of those channels right now. Okay, so let's go to YouTube. This is an example of this channel. So this channel is uploading motivational YouTube videos, but just with background music. As you can see, this one, for example, got 18 million views. This one, 14 million views, 6 million views. Those videos are still getting views and of course still making money. Okay, so to make like those videos, it's really easy and simple. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to go to Canva. Okay, so let's go to Canva. You need to create an account on Canva like this one. Okay, then after you finish, if you don't have an account on Canva, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, click over here on video. Okay, you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to click over here on elements. Okay, click on elements and click on the search over here and search for example, gym. Okay, like this, and click over here on videos. Okay, and here you go, you will find a lot of videos here. Okay, so for example, let's scroll down. Okay, I will choose this one for example. Click on the video that you want to use. Those motivational videos are easy and simple to make just by using Canva. So click on the video. Your video will be over here. Click on these 3 points. Set the video as background. Click here. You can swipe left or swipe right and make it short. Click on the add page, add page, add page, add page, so you can make your video long. I'm gonna add more page like this and go back to the next page, and I will put, okay, so let's see, I will choose this one for example. I want to choose this video. Click on these 3 points, set the video as background, make it short, click on the next page, scroll down, and you will find a lot of videos here. Okay, then scroll down. So let me see. Okay, so let's choose another video. So give it time so you to find good videos that will be. So for example, I will use this one. Set the video as background. I will make it short. Next page, scroll down. Let's search for bodybuilders. Click on videos. Okay, and here you go, you will find good videos here. Okay, so let's scroll down. Let's use this one. Set the video as background. Then we will add free background music to this video to make it more engaging and professional. Okay, it's easy and simple. I will add this one here like this. Okay, click on the next page, scroll down. So scroll down, keep scrolling down, you will find a lot of videos that you can use. Okay, we will use this one over here like this. we'll make it short. Click on the next page, scroll down, use this one here like this. Next page and scroll down, okay, like this. You will find a lot of videos here, okay, so just give it time and add different videos, okay. We will add this one here. Okay, so now, okay, let me see. Okay, so what you need to do next, go to the first page, click between those two pages, add transition, click on add transition and choose which transition you want to add between your videos to make them more engaging and professional. Okay, I will add, for example, this one. You will make it to 0.3. Click on apply between all page and your transition will be applied between all your page. So what you need to do next is you need to add background music that will be for free to use. So how we can find free background music that will be matched with this video? Go to YouTube, search for no copyright sound, okay? You will find this channel over here, no copyright sound, and you will find a bunch of videos here, background music videos that you can use, okay? So it's easy, you can check this, you can use all those videos, all those background music videos for free for your YouTube video, okay? They are for free, no copyright sound, okay? So for example, if you like this one, give it time and check it. Click on this 3 points, click on share, okay? I will show you how you can download this background music. Copy the link of the background music video, then go to Google, search for this website, search for save from, okay? So search for save from, you will be directly in this page and click over here and put your YouTube background link here, okay? So let me show you, and here you go. Click on this and select audio or audio, okay? Then click on download and this background music will be download to your laptop. Then go back to Canva, click on upload, okay? Click on upload file and upload your background music, okay? Like this, you should find your background music here. I already uploaded mine, so I'm gonna find it here. This is my background music. Click on your background music, okay? After you upload it, it should be here. Click on the background music. Your background music will be over here, okay? Like this. So now let's check this video, guys, and let me know your opinion and about this video, okay? Without, you don't need to use any speech, just background music showing people training, and that's it. And that's how you can make motivational videos like this channel, okay? As you can see, those videos getting million of views, 6 million of views, 3 million of views, 4 million of views, 14 million of views, of course making a lot of money, as you can see, and still getting views, 2 million views, still getting views, and they are really easy and simple, okay? So let's go back to Canva, let's check our video.
Everything you want, but you can't have. No regret, no take backs. The hole in your chest that's big.
So that's how we can make faceless motivational viral videos without showing your face, without using your voice, and without using any speech, just by using background music, okay, and Canva. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. After you finish, you can click over here on share, click on download, and this video will be download to your laptop. Then you can go and upload these videos to your YouTube channel, start making motivational videos like this, and you can grow your YouTube channel like this channel over here and get millions of views, make a lot of money. Okay, just uploading easy videos will take just few minutes from your time to make like those videos. So it's easy, you don't need to invest any money, so you just need to give it a try, take action, and see you in my next video.